Stuffed Savoy cabbage bake is a special dish. Some say it was Adam's favorite, maybe Eve loved it too, who knows? But one thing is certain, if you make it well, the whole family will ask for seconds. There is a reason why many people say this hearty cabbage bake is one of the great survivors of Hungarian cuisine. 1 kilo of Savoy cabbage waiting its turn. Half a kilo of mincemeat gives it strength to earn. 10 decograms of pork lard join the way. 1 large onion starts the day. 250 grams of rice cooked nice and slow. 2 teaspoons of pepper help the flavor grow. Salt to taste comes right on cue. A large cup of sour cream waiting too. 1 egg and a spoon of breadcrumbs join the play. And the family feast can start today. Savoy cabbage bake, layer after layer. GastRock singing through the kitchen air. Cabbage and meat coming together just right. Aromas from the oven drift into the night. Savoy cabbage bake, a home-style song. Grandma's little secrets carried along when the meal is finally ready to share. Everyone lines up for another serving there. We remove the outer leaves one by one, cut out the core till the work is done. In a large pot of water we cook it soft, adding 1 big spoon of salt aloft. Meanwhile we finely dice the onion with care and gently saute it till golden and fair. We add the mincemeat without delay, season with pepper and salt the traditional way. Half a glass of water goes slowly in, and we simmer the meat till tender within. At the end we fry it lightly and slow, bringing out richer flavors to show. Savoy cabbage bake, layer after layer. GastRock singing through the kitchen air. Cabbage and meat working side by side, while delicious aromas spread far and wide. Savoy cabbage bake, a home-style song. Grandma's little secrets carried along when the meal is finally ready to share. Everyone lines up for another serving there. Meanwhile, the rice is cooked till soft. The cabbage is cooling patiently nearby. We mix the rice and meat together and prepare our baking tray. We grease it well with the remaining lard and sprinkle it with breadcrumbs. Then comes the game of layers. Cabbage, meat, cabbage, meat, cabbage, until the tray is filled completely. And there is always someone who asks, could we have more sour cream? Of course, then let's do it! The pan flute answers the fiddle, the guitar smiles right back, and quietly in the oven, the cabbage bake becomes a masterpiece. We mix the sour cream with the egg and spread it evenly across the top. A preheated oven is awaiting there, baking at 200 degrees with care. We watch closely so it will not burn until a golden color starts to turn. When it is ready and brought to the table, the whole family gathers around the fable. Savoy cabbage bake, treasure of the kitchen. Simple ingredients and perfect conditions. Savoy cabbage bake, a timeless delight passed down through generations, night after night. If you're hungry, this dish is worth your time. Hearty and filling, the comfort sublime. GastRock is playing, the meal is done, and hardly a single portion is left